Hello everybody, this is the night one video of our Arizona adventure, and we are along the river at Quetta, New Mexico. And I'll tell you what, it's not real warm. It's about 40 degrees, and well, if you watched the day video, you would have seen us struggle through the snow. And this is May, early May. We got into Quetta at about 5:30, which was a little early, which is good. And we made straight down to the campground, and you could see that in our undiscovered campground videos. Set up the tent, kind of just got organized, and then we went searching for dinner at about 6:45 or so. And well, we got disappointed because everything shuts down here at 7 o'clock. So we ended up at Dollar General, and we bought a little bit of food. We had some rice, and we made jambalaya and just cooked here at the campground. And then we just, well, this is the first day out, so really kind of get organized, get showers, just kind of read, take our time, try to. Everything is well packed in the car, but it was just like little things. We're like, oh, this needs to be here, we take that, put it there. So we were done about 11 or so finally with everything, and we went to the tent, and our tent has a tarp over it because it was extra cold. It was about 40 degrees when we rolled in, and now it's about 28 in the morning, and now we're back up to 40. So it's not bad now, but it was cold last night. But we slept well because we had electric at this site, and we just ran the heater. Evelyn made a small mistake. She didn't put a blanket under the sheets, so our backsides were a little cold because they were right next to the air mattress, which was directly on the ground. But other than that, you know, we slept pretty well. And well, now we're off. And we'll see you on the next day video. It's Denusa. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And we'll leave you with a view of the river.